Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make creamy coconut rice pudding. So let's get started.
I've got here half cup of medium grain rice, 5 tablespoons of sugar, or you can add it according to your taste, quarter cup of desiccated coconut, 2 cups of water and 1 can of coconut milk. Rinse your rice 2 to 3 times and let it soak in some water for 30 minutes to cut the cooking time. After 30 minutes, drain all the water from the rice. Place a pot on medium heat, add rice and water, give it a mix, put a lid on and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, lower the heat, give it a mix and cook it for 5 minutes without the lid, stirring it once or twice. After 5 minutes, add coconut milk, sugar and desiccated coconut. Give it a mix, increase the heat to medium and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes or until 80% of the liquid is absorbed, stirring it frequently. After 20 minutes, give it a mix and taste your sugar. You can always add it according to your taste. My rice pudding doesn't need any more sugar. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My creamy coconut rice pudding is ready and you can serve it warm or cold on its own or with some chopped bananas or any fruit of your choice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.